ultimate barbecue nachos in the Roccbox pizza oven. It's going to be quick, it's going to be easy, and it's going to be delicious. Alright, so the first thing we're going to do is turn on our Roccbox pizza oven here. And we're going to put it on the lowest setting right to start off with. And while that's heating up, we're going to go ahead and get our nachos rolling here. So if you guys don't know what the Roccbox is, it's that. The most bad A pizza oven on the planet. So I just had this idea come to me. We were planning a camping trip, and I was like, my wife said, man, I wish we had nachos we could have nachos on the camping trip. And I was like, you know what? Why don't we just bring the Roccbox with us when we go? So this is more or less a test, but I know it's going to work because the Roccbox is pretty easy like that. Let's go with this. All right, so here we go. All right, so we smoked this Jägermeister pork butt the other day, and I'm just gonna go over the top, whoa, with some of this pulled pork here. I'm gonna save a little bit to go on top. Alright, we're gonna go over it with some corn that we barbecued, that we had left over from the pulled pork. Alright, let's go on with some of this cheese here. This is just a packaged cheese. I'm gonna go on with more. I can smash my face into it now before we even heated all this stuff up. How's that looking? Is that enough cheese for you, Mama?
Mm-hmm.
Alright, let's go. I'm going to go over with some more of this pork butt. So it'll get crispy on top. What do you think? At least that's my plan.
It's a good plan.
Alright, so what I'm going to do now turn that sucker on full blast. Alright, here we go. Whoa, look at that. Smash that down. Alright, there we go. It's only only been a minute, so we're melting up nicely there. So we're just going to go in for a little bit longer. I actually turned it back down, kept it on low. I started off at high, and I was thinking it was too hot, so we're just going to keep going for low. And you can see that I'm not going all the way in the back. I'm kind of keeping it up here. I'm going to turn it a little bit. That. Alright, I think we're about ready, guys. I'm going to call it. That was about 3 minutes total. Alright, so we're going to go on with some coleslaw that we had left over from our barbecue. I'm going to just put all this on there. Alright, let's go with some jalapenos. So the jalapenos probably is not traditional for barbecue. It'd probably be like, what, pickles? But this is how we roll here at the beardedhiker.com. Alright, we're going to go in with some fresh jalapenos. Those were pickled jalapenos. Alright, let's go with some onion, fresh onion. These are going to be bomb. Alright, and then I'm going to go over with our Jaeger barbecue sauce. This was in that recipe is in the pork butt recipe. If it's out, then I'll leave a link in the description or in the cards or something like that. Let's see, a little bit right there. How's that? You want more?
Mm-mm.
All right. All right, let's go with huge dollop. Maybe let's do 2 of guacamole. And then a little bit of sour cream right there. All right. That's it. I'm going to give this bad boy a try. I'm going to just go to this side right here. Get a little bit of all of it. Oh. That's delicious. Simple, easy, quick. I mean, this basically spent more time putting this stuff together. So I'm going to call this a win-win, baby, for our next hiking trip. All right, guys. The ultimate barbecue nachos in the Roccbox. Do it. It's bomb. So one of the things that's good about this Roccbox is it's not just, obviously, just not for cooking pizza in, right? Nachos we've done, steak, plantains. What do you think we should do next? Some shrimp?
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
Let's throw it at,
I'll challenge you.
Huh? You challenge me?
Challenge you. Challenge you to do shrimp.
These are good. Real good. I think I have some in my beard.
You can save it for later, snack on it later.
Yeah, I'm pretty sure I do. Mm-hmm.